Right, hello. So, had a bit of wind today. When it comes to the Cannas, they'll keep flowering to the first frost and look good, but the wind will take them down first, especially when you've got big leaf ones like these that are well over 6.5 foot with paddle-shaped leaves. They are going to catch the wind. So unfortunately, this clump has had a bit of damage. Got blown over a bit. One right on the side there. So whether it's actually snapped off or whether it's just bent over, I'll leave it there for now, and if it starts dying off then I'll cut it away. But I'm not going to bother staking them up. Like I say, if they do start dying off, I'll just cut them back. But yeah, the rest of the garden's not really had any damage. The cannas down this end are alright. We've got a big clump right in the middle here, which is absolutely untouched by the wind, which is unusual because they've got even bigger leaves and they're even taller. But because they're more tightly clumped together, I think they're supporting each other a bit. So it is the time of year when we're going to start seeing some wind damage, and things are starting to slow down, and you can see on the Polonia here that the leaves are starting to give up. So that is obviously deciduous, that will drop its leaves. So yeah, we've got some decent sized leaves out of them this year anyway. But we did actually get some decent rain this morning, for the first time in months. We had a good downpour, so that's definitely not helped the garden this year, the fact that it's been so dry. I know a lot of the country have had a lot of wet weather, but here on the east coast it seems to have missed us, and it's been very dry. Even the this variegated grass here is all shriveled up. That's how dry it's been. It does tend to die off a bit over winter anyway, so I'm not too concerned about that. I'll cut that all back and let that come back with new growth next year. Yeah, so yeah, just a quick one really on the wind and the canna damage. Like I say, the back end of the garden's not too bad. I think the front here has took the brunt of it with the canna clump collapsing. Yeah, they're not actually snapped, they're just they might have snapped underground, but they've obviously still got roots in there, so I don't think they'll die back. But like I say, it's not really worth staking them. I don't know, I might do, just tidy them up, because they're just going to get windswept even more laying on their side like that. So yeah, I have changed my mind, I will stake them up. So we still may have another month of flowering on these as yet. I know some of these flower heads can be cut off now, but we've still got a couple of fresh ones to open here and on this one. So yeah, autumn is here, and we do tend to get the winds where I am. Thanks for watching.